Hi there, I got these dead old batteries from my cousin and today we're going to fix them and give them a second life.
First, we're going to measure how much voltage is still stored in every battery.
And as you can see, 12.6 volts or more means it has 100 charge. 12.3 volts is just 70%, and even if it's a 12 volt battery, it doesn't mean that it holds exactly 12 volts, because if it measures exactly 12, then that means it is just 40% full. 10.5 volts below are considered dead and can't be charged anymore. I mean, you can charge it if you want, but it won't hold the charge for long. Like, if you charge it for 2 hours, it will drain itself for like 2 minutes, so it's kinda useless. Let's check this first. This one is neat. I'm expecting a higher reading on this. Oops. Here, let me show you a battery in perfect condition. If you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe. We're going to do more videos like this soon. Here's what you need. 8 amperes transformer, 12 to 18 volts.
Ten amperes rectifier diode. We're going to put these things together and give this battery some tickles.
We also need table salt, or if you have Epsom salt.
It will be better.
And lastly, clean water. I used mineral water, but if you have distilled water, it will be
Better.
Table salt and mineral water works just fine.
Then we're going to make a full bridge rectifier. Connect the diodes in this manner.
What we're having here is a pulsating DC. Maybe you're looking for a capacitor somewhere here, but trust me, we don't need that.
That will make our DC smooth. We need a pulsating DC to soften the sulfate buildups and unwanted elements that is killing the plates inside the battery.
We need to remove all the caps first before applying pulse in it. If you can make a square DC or square wave, or what we call the pulse width modulation, it will be a lot better. But again, it's all I have and it will just work just fine. I mean, living in a cave is not easy. Alms.
And also, we need to make sure that the battery solution level is correct. If it's less, then you should add a battery solution first.
Mine is in level, so it should be good.
While waiting for this battery, we're going to unscrew others, clean, and give it a little sanding. And line it up. I don't know how to describe that in English because I'm just trying hard to speak English here, so see it for yourself.
It smells bad. It's like acidic, odorous, fragrant. Better protect your lungs, wear a mask. My only cue here is the alligator clip. It gets hotter and hotter, so I decided to pull it out from the pulser. It's been almost an hour. I'm gonna explain to you why we need to add salt to the water.
You can see a lot of resistance there, but if you add a table salt or Epsom salt, will be a lot better. And measure, there's a great conductance there compared to the pure water only.
So salt can help in the rinsing and also for the conductivity of the water. Warning, use gloves. I don't like gloves, so do it at your own risk. Yeah, those are the buildups. You should remove all of them. Here comes the salt and water. Shake.
Now, while we're doing a lot of shaking here, may I just promote the channel of my friend, Ansel Alipio. I'm also one of his subscribers and he got a lot of cool videos focusing on electronics. His presentation of videos are far more formal than mine, so check out his channel. Do it as many times as you can until the black particles are gone. Black thingies are gone. Black pieces of
When they're gone, just add the battery solution.
Put the caps back. By the time you fill it up with battery solution, you can already measure 12 volts in there. More done. Then here's a 12 volt LED. So it's fine. But we still need some charging. So we're gonna charge it up first.
12 volts battery charger link is in the description if you haven't watched it yet.
kumustahin naman natin ito.
Again, I can explain. It's like boiling or something, smoking, vaporing, eking. There. Let's add some lighting. There you go. Green thingy. Looks like we're forming a baby Hulk here. Terrible Hulk. "15 minutes later." Let's check it out again. There you go. Blurry thing, boiling, bubbling, and smells bad. There. "20 minutes. There you go. It's getting hot. And then we'll do the same thing again, as many times as we can. But this time, just watch. I see some oily thing there. Look at this. Look at this chemical reaction here. Look. Then here comes the salt and water again. The cleanser, the cleaner. And we're gonna shake. It's too dirty. As I told you earlier, you should do it as many times as you can until the black things are gone. Me, I did it 9 times. And I'm glad they're gone. Then put some battery solutions in it. Put the caps back. And give it a little shake. And we're good to go. Let's start it up and wait. 45 minutes, and we're going to measure the voltage. It's like 12.5 volts. As you can see in the table, 12.5 is 90% charged. Here comes the 12 volt LED again. And there you go. So I have 2 more batteries to fix. You will not be interested in watching do the same thing on this again. So I'm gonna cut this video out. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Check the links in the description for my other videos. Ingat. Here's the voltage chart.